Back to Frontline Eurosports. Your host Nate Jennings has an Uncrating but 2019 Ducati motorcycle, and I'm gonna let you see this one come out of the crate and enjoy the colors of a Corse model Panigale 959 2019. Let's open up the crate and see what kind of exhaust we got. Maybe what kind of steering stabilizer we have. Check out the exhaust. It is all gonna be new for a Corse model compared to the stock 959 Panigale. Let's get it done, John. Alright, so we got the crate off, and now we'll peel back the plastic. Woo! Look at that beautiful paint scheme. So we've got that more fluorescent orangish red with silver pinstriping going into a white color. If we look closer, we're going to have things like Oline steering stabilizer, Oline's rear shock over on the left side here, Oline suspension in the front. So it's kind of like upgrading from the Panigale 1299 to the 1299S, from the Super Sport to the Super Sport S, getting all the Oline's componentry. I do have stock exhaust on this though. I thought it would come with a little upgrade on the exhaust like they mentioned on their website, but we can also add that later. We have two different options of exhaust, keeping a low mount exhaust or going to the dual high mount on the Panigale 959. This is the 2019 Corse model from Frontline Eurosports and Ducati Motorcycles. So thanks for watching us here at Frontline Eurosports, and we'll get you a little walk around video of this bike before we take off.